this is set right there, right? We're gonna put it right here. How much cash we got in here? Oh, not too bad. No. Oh, we gotta get this right. The whole row is gone. All right, so this needs to work. This is the problem. This is what we came for. This is the mission. This is the goal for right now. Let's just open this up and take this thing off. Let's get started. I am parched. I just wanted to vend. That's the issue with this one, is that it wasn't vending. The credit card reader was on. The machine works fine without it. But when the credit card reader is on, it doesn't work. It doesn't vend. So let's see. Let's see. We're gonna unplug it. This we could take off because we're not gonna need this. This was connected to the building, to the Wi-Fi. Still, it didn't work. We'll unplug it. Now this machine, unlike the other one, it will be a lot easier because everything is in the door. The combo machine, the reader was on the door and the other components were inside the machine. So with this one, everything is on the door issue. So we're just gonna get this thing off and put the other one on. And there's cash in here. Let's see what we got. How much cash we got in here? Oh, not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad. My handy dandy tool set. This is a must-have. So we gotta get those screws out. Let's see. Use the same one we had last time. That should work. All right, so let's see how the let's take this card reader out and see if it lines up with the holes. Let's take this out. Okay. So the first one is this one is going to be easier because we've already went through some of the unknowns with the first one. So hopefully this one should be a lot smoother. I'm going to kind of run through the same thing, the same steps I did with the combo machine. I'm going to connect everything and test it. this thing has never worked on the machine. This we set right there, right? We're gonna put it right here. So then we're gonna put this here and slap that E port up there on the side. So let's put this up there. I think that's a good spot for it. It's a little messy, it's a little messy. I know, it's a little messy. It's been a tough day. All right, so I did a quick test. I used my phone, I used Apple Pay to do a quick test just to see if the credit card reader was indeed working, if the machine would vend. And it did, it worked. So I'm happy. And, I'm happy about that. I'm relieved because the Nayax credit card reader, it worked and then it wouldn't work. And most of the time it didn't work. So this one worked immediately. So I'm happy. So now I'm just going to place the credit card reader on the machine, going to screw everything in, tighten everything up, and then I'll close it and do another test just to make sure everything works. And then that's it. I'm done for the day. I'm going to go home. It's late and my feet hurt. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like and all of that good stuff.